Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my solid half hexagon. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, we're going to be making a circle that we're going to work into to make our hexagon. I have a playlist on how to start a circle. I have a bunch of different tutorials in that playlist, so you can pick whichever one you prefer to start with. I'm going to be using the chain 4 method, which I can also have listed down below. So we are making solid half hexagons because when you make a hexagon blanket, two sides of it are going to have spaces left open to fit half hexagons into to completely make your blanket a full rectangle. And so we're going to make these to fill those spaces. To start row 1, I'm starting with 4 chains. You're going to make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Make 2 chains. 1, 2, work 2 double crochet into this center space, make 2 chains, and then work 2 more double crochet into this center space. So right now we have a side of 2, a chain 2 space, side of 2, chain 2 space, side of 2, and that's going to be it for row 1. To start row 2, flip your work, so we're looking at the back of my hexagon now, and then make 3 chains. These 3 chains are going to count as 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch for our first side. We've come to a previous chain 2 space. Into each of these spaces going forward, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet all into that same space together. For our next side, work 1 double crochet into each stitch. Right now we only have 2. We've come to another chain 2 space. We're going to work that double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet all into that space. Now we've come to our last side. We're going to have to match our side with this side over here, the corresponding one on the other side of our hexagon. So we have our first double crochet, this one right here. This was into our corner, but it matches, you can see, double crochet, double crochet. So we need 3 more, considering these chains also count as a double crochet. So we have 4 over here. We have our first one, our second one. You can work your next one in between these stitches and these chains. So that's 3. And then work a double crochet into the tops of these chains to make that 4th one. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, you're going to flip your work again. So we're looking at the front of our hexagon, and you're going to make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach a chain 2 space. Into these chain 2 spaces, we're going to be making the same thing as our last row. 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet into that chain 2 space all together. For our next side, make 1 double crochet into each stitch across until you reach the next chain 2 space. Again, for that chain 2 space, work 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then 1 double crochet all into that space together. We're to our last side. We've got to match the stitches on our last side to the stitches on this side over here, the corresponding side to it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those chains count as a stitch, so 5 total. This 1 double crochet we made in this corner counts as the 1 double crochet to start the 5. So we've got 2, 3, 4, and then into the tops of these chains at the end of our row, we can make our 5th one. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for how big you want your hexagon. And that is going to be how to make my solid half hexagon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.